Let's learn how to enable dark mode. Now this mobile I am using light mode. If you want to use dark mode, you can enable it. You can save your battery and you can get beautiful look on your mobile. Let's learn how to enable this dark mode. First method is go to your mobile settings. Scroll down and go to display option. In here you can enable light mode and dark mode. Okay, we can select schedule to enable dark mode automatically. Let's learn how to do this. Click on this dark mode settings. After you can turn on this scheduled option and you can set a custom time to enable this dark mode automatically. You can select the start time and end time in here. In this method you can schedule to enable dark mode automatically. Let's learn second method. Swipe your notification bar. After you can see dark mode option. If you press this dark mode button, you can enable this dark mode easily like this.